How to learn Urdu as a foreigner, vocabulary and pronunciation tips. Urdu has sounds that do not exist in English, and that is where most foreign learners get stuck first. Start with phonology before vocabulary. Urdu uses retroflex consonants where your tongue curls back against the roof of your mouth and aspirated stops that change word meanings entirely. The most effective method for building this foundation is to find a native speaker audio and listen before you try to speak. 2 weeks of listening without speaking calibrates your ear and makes your pronunciation significantly more accurate when you do start. For vocabulary, learn words inside full phrases rather than in isolation. Urdu word order and grammatical gender affect every sentence, and context makes those patterns stick faster. Urdu has one of the richest poetic traditions in any living language, and that tradition is genuinely useful for learning. Classic Urdu couplets teach vocabulary, grammar, and cultural context simultaneously. Start with Mirza Ghalib. His couplets are short, structurally clear, and widely available with transliterations and translations. For every couplet, study the literal word-by-word meaning before the poetic interpretation. This gives you real vocabulary in context, which is far more memorable than flashcards. Then reinforce the pronunciation by listening to native speakers reading the same lines. Audio exposure alongside text is how the words move from recognition to production. Does Duolingo offer Urdu? No, Duolingo does not currently offer an Urdu course. The alternatives worth considering are apps that offer structured Urdu lessons with native speaker audio. Urdu script, written in Nastaliq, is right-to-left script that requires dedicated visual practice. Any app you use needs to address the script directly, not skip it. Ling covers Urdu with structured lessons in audio, making it one of the more complete mobile options available right now for learners who would want to otherwise default to Duolingo.